Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add PayPal as a payments method on Fiverr. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically here, we're just going to follow this Fiverr Help Center article. As you can see, you will be able to withdraw the funds on PayPal by setting up PayPal as a payments method. So basically to set up your PayPal account, you will need to go to your Fiverr and basically you will need to be on the selling mode or to switch to selling Fiverr. And then you will need just to go to earnings and from there you can create or add a payments method to be as PayPal. Or you can simply go to the menu of Fiverr and from there you can find payments methods. So here, if we go to the menu, we will find here the billings and payments. So by clicking on billings and payments, we will be uh, redirected to here. And from here, we can find payments methods. And simply, the first thing would be is either to choose a credit or debit card. And from there, you can start adding the information of your debit card, or we can simply choose PayPal. And basically, in order to complete your PayPal registration, you will be transferred to the PayPal secure servers. So basically, you click on this PayPal button and then it will take you to another pop-up so you can log in to your account. You add your informations, so basically your cards, etc. And you click on add. And by clicking on add, you will be able to add your PayPal account to your payments methods. And from there, you have added successfully your PayPal to your Fiverr. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.